Yo guys, what's going on, man? It's been a long time since I've seen you guys. I'm back. Sorry for the delay and everything. It's been kind of a crazy year, as all you guys know. Uh, I'm back. I'm start making some more content again. Got the motor behind me, about to tear it down, and I actually picked up a donor car I could use for parts that I'm gonna need, because some of these parts are kind of hard to find. So just wanted to say, everybody, welcome back, and we're going to start from scratch again. I got just about all the parts that I need, and tonight I'm going to start tearing down the motor. So stay tuned, and we're going to have some fun with this one. Alright, well, I'm going to call it a wrap for tonight. Got everything off pretty quick. Set it up on the time lapse, so I wouldn't bore you guys. Got all the magic of that stuff. So everything's all done. The next one, I'm going to pull the timing belt off, get the cams out, pull the head off. Just waiting for the rest of that stuff to come in. Put everything away in the box. Everything's all set up nicey nice. And I got most of the parts here that I was looking for, that I ordered. Hold on, let me just get that. Sorry about that. It's hard with one hand and the camera. But I'm really happy. Brand new engine harness, ride wire harness, and jumper harness. Oil return line kit, all the fittings, all that there. The AEM fuel pump, ID 1050X injectors, brand new AEM fuel rail, fuel pressure regulator, all set up. Everything's gonna go back together. Let's do that. Put the motor back together. Fuel line kit, you guys seen that already. All the OEM harnesses, OEM gaskets. So, and there's the donor car. I pretty much picked it off dirt cheap. So, I'm going to take everything out of there and put it in the red car, since the cabin harness is all beat up. Pretty much start from scratch. So, that's pretty much it. So everything's pretty much taken care of. So I'm going to call it a night. Again, I appreciate everybody still sticking around, you know. It's just been a really tough year for everybody, and I hope all of y'all been, safe and healthy, and families as well. So, until the next one, this is Patty Mac for the Auto Society. Remember, guys, keep it clean. I'll see you on the next one. Be good.